came through dripping. Diamonds on my wrist, they tripping. Diamonds on my wrist, they tripping.
Give me a little something to remember. Come on, still on these hoes. Fuck your baby daddy right now. And the man got cake by the pound. Go down, eat it up, don't drop.
What's poppin'? What's Gucci? What's good? Welcome back. Welcome to my channel. I've never done a talk through, but I guess a lot of people have been asking, like, when do I get so into makeup or all that good stuff? So I can get ready and talk about it. You feel me? This hair, I forgot where it's from. I put it in the description. My flat irons run on. Annoying. I really just recently started getting into makeup. I'm currently working at 2 bars, and you know, like, I'm a very fashionable person. I like to think I am. You feel me? But working in the bars, people come out, you like, you know, they be looking good, and I don't like being outdressed, but you know, I like to look nice. You feel me? I like to look nice when I'm helping people and presenting myself, you know. Hi, I'm Ashley, la. But I was in a relationship prior to that, and it was a very controlling, very, we're just gonna stop at unhealthy. Okay, I like statement pieces, I like colors, I like fluff, furs, snakeskin. I like stuff. I like pop out, stand out, statement piece type of stuff, okay? And he did not like that. He didn't like me to dress like that. He didn't like me to wear makeup. Definitely no makeup. Like, makeup was a big no. One time I tried to do my makeup, he said, like, I don't look good. And I was like, wow, I really tried, wow. And then he's like, it's not that, I think you look much prettier without it. Typical. I got all butthurt. I just didn't try again. I didn't wear makeup. I mean, like, I would get my eyelashes done and wear lip gloss, and that was it. And ain't nothing wrong with that. But I don't know, I'm a very creative person when it comes to my look and how I look and how I like to look. And I wanted to fucking express myself. Express yourself! So that just put me in a really weird space. It took me a while to get myself back, even after we broke up. I still struggle with a lot of things, but you know, I'm trying to shine through. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. You feel me? Okay, we're getting somewhere here. And I love thrifting. I love Goodwill. Oh my god, I love Goodwill. Actually, me and that person met in Goodwill. I love Goodwill. Been broken up for about a year now. And then in that meantime, or in around that time, I started working at the bars, trying to get my cute back, and I was working at a hair salon. I was a receptionist. Stella was trying to get her groove back, okay? Came to fashion, style, you know, back to my normal, regular program, the steez, if you will. Style's changing every day, which I love, but I'm more feeling back to myself, honestly. Like, I'm not in that icky space no more, so I'm really proud of myself. You guys, what the fuck? Okay, how crooked is that, bro? Okay, cool. So my camera fell. We're back. But like I was saying, so fast forward, I'm trying to get cute again. I like to look nice too, you feel me? And it's not like I didn't look nice, but I like to look a certain way. If you know me, you know. And I'm just getting back to myself for real. My friend's just blowing me up right now. I got a new piercing. I vlogged part of the process, and I'm gonna continue to vlog it, but gotta watch a new video for that. Killing these looks. Like, girls got looks, you know. But the makeup thing started because I want to do what I do, and I wasn't allowed to do that. So then, now that I can do it and I'm showing interest in it, I just dived the fuck in, honestly. I just whoop, whoop, right in, and I'm loving it. I'm getting better. Well, my friends say I'm getting better, but they my friends. They gonna say whatever they need to say to make me happy because they love me. So I was like, let me document my little journey or whatever, because I love looking at myself, one. You know me? I have like 9 mirrors in my room alone. We're not gonna get into that. It's just my thing. I was like, let's combine the best of 2 worlds, makeup and looking at yourself, and fucking start YouTube. I'm reading this book or listening to it on Audible. It's The 5-Second Rule by Mel Robbins. totally recommend it. But in the book, it's like, find something, find a passion, and turn it into a hobby. And if you can turn it into a hobby, then you try and turn it into a profession or like a career. And I'm not saying YouTube is going to be my career. I don't know if it's a passion yet, but I know that I don't think YouTube is the passion. I think me coming back into myself and being able to be me again is the passion. Just learning to love myself more and more every day, and never letting anybody ever make me doubt that shit again. Okay? Okay. It's gonna be a very colorful makeup look. It's inspired by Aaliyah J. I love her. And I want to try it. We have the pink top on. I'm feeling real pink right now. So let's see if we can do something similar, like my take on it. And I got a bunch of new products, dog. But either way, I got to chill, make more videos to show y'all all this stuff I got. And yeah, it's time for the makeup part. But first, I'm gonna just do my baby hair with some mousse real quick to get them out the way and lay them down before I go in with my got to be glued. But I got some styling foam. A little shake now. Okay, baby hairs. Okay. Sorry, not my favorite. They're alright, but for tonight, they're gonna work. They're gonna wiggity work. We resumed. Scarf on, none special. Silk journal, beads black. Okay, we're gonna get a little closer. We're gonna get a little personal. Fuck a duck. Okay, so I really can't find my eyebrow pencil. Try to kill me. Keep it on me, ain't no feeling me. These little niggas really tickle me. They lucky I ain't like I used to be. I'ma make them niggas feel my presence. Fuck a ladder, that's a Mac 11. Sound like thunder when I get the clapping. That's a lost soul and a murder weapon. I ain't fucking with you niggas. I ain't riding with you niggas. Never get a chance to snake me. So I'm riding around with the skrilla. Bitches on top of bitches, but I'm flipping grizzlies and I'm totally. This is a NYX lip liner pencil. Okay. Bitches, but I'm flipping grizzlies and I'm toting glizzies. Niggas be hating, I know that they hate me. My partner got some extended. Everybody gotta fall off when you bounce back, that they get right. Hustle hard like a 9 to 5. When your lights off, can't sleep right. Couple niggas wanna tag us, so we shitting on them, running bands up. Money long, whole team strong. Told them we could do whatever. It don't even really matter. We gon' make them niggas something's happening here.
Bitch in a Jaguar, and that ass getting fatter. It don't even really matter.
You ain't gotta call me your boo, cause as bad as you want him, I want him to.
Paper long like a brag right. I left my hood with the Cali. You gotta know that's a long flight. 50 days and 100 nights. I was down on my ass. The main hoes that I used to want.
This is already getting weird, so let's just make it weirder.
What you know about falling off? What you know about renting up? What you know about the law coming? Keep your mouth closed.
Okay.
You ain't saying nothing.
Set the
You
eyelids.
ain't strictly business paper.
Fuck it, 2 peas in a bucket. Let's go on with the eyelids. Alright, so my take on Aaliyah J's Soul Train Awards look. So it was mostly pinks. It was actually all pinks. It was like a pink smoky eye. So we're going to be using these palettes. The NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. The Profusion Cosmetic Infatuation Palette. And we're also going to be using the Profusion Cosmetics Eyes and Cheek Palette because I'm feeling fun and flirty.
We probably skipping the whole line. Shorty told me it's whatever. You know she about to get digged down.
Everybody gotta fall off when you bounce back, that they get right. Hustle hard like a 9 to 5. When your lights off, can't sleep right. Couple niggas wanna tag us, so we shitting on them, running bands up. Money long, whole team strong. Told them we could do whatever. It don't even really matter. We gon' make them niggas matter. Bad bitch in the Jaguar.
Omelette du fromage.
It don't even really matter. It don't even really matter. We can flex it anyway.
Love you so much. to my face.
10 toes down. You know what I'm saying? You gon' fall off. It's about what you gon' do after the fall off, my nigga. That's the bounce back. Strictly business, street dealer. Huh? Everybody gotta fall off when you bounce back, that they get right. Hustle hard like a 9 to 5. When your lights off, can't sleep right. Couple niggas wanna tag us, so we shitting on them, running bands up. Money long, whole team strong. Told them we could do whatever. It don't even really matter. We gon' make them niggas matter. Bad bitch in a Jaguar, and that ass getting fatter. It don't even really matter. It don't even really matter. We can flex in any weather. Young nigga with a swagger. Switched up, never that. 10 toes down everywhere I'm at. I be in the game like a running back. 90s baby, fuck you, call a nigga in the Fortnite. Come from the bottom and I took some dollars. My nigga don't play with my product. Chasing these hundreds, don't play with my money. I come through your hood with them choppers. Black on black with the solid gold. Lost a couple pounds so my belt swag. Fresh out of sex, hood on my back. Promise you niggas gon' feel me. They gon' probably try to kill me. Keep it on me, ain't no fear me. These little niggas really tickle me. They lucky I ain't like I used to be. I'ma make them niggas feel my presence. Fuck a ladder, that's a Mac 11. Sound like thunder when I get the clapping. That's a lost soul and a murder weapon. I ain't fucking with you niggas. I ain't riding with you niggas. Never get a chance to snake me. So I'm riding around with the skrilla. Bitches on top of bitches, but I'm flipping grizzlies and I'm toting blizzards. Niggas be hating, I know that they hate me. My partner got some extended. Bitches on top of bitches, but I'm flipping grizzlies and I'm toting blizzards. Niggas be hating, I know that they hate me. My partner got some extended. Everybody gotta fall off when you bounce back, that they get right. Hustle hard like a 9 to 5. When your lights off, can't sleep right. Couple niggas wanna tag us, so we shitting on them, running bands up. Money long, whole team strong. Told them we could do whatever. It don't even really matter. We gon' make them niggas matter. Bad bitch in a Jaguar, and that ass getting fatter. It don't even really matter. It don't even really matter. We can flex in any weather. Young nigga with a swagger.
I'm just trying to get my bag right. Paper long, I can brag right. I left my hood, went to Cali. You gotta know that's a long flight. 50 days and 100 nights. I was down on my ass. The main hoes that I used to want, man, they used to really act bad. Fuck 'em. What you know about falling off? What you know about renting up? What you know about the law coming? Keep your mouth closed, you ain't saying nothing. You ain't strictly business paper, circle, street dealer, nigga, you ain't seeing us. You know I keep that jewel breeze with me.
I love me a dramatic lash. Okay. Same color that are on my eye. I think I'm gonna take the orange underneath in the corner, and the pink on the end.
Hottest kid on the block though, play catch, get a little bit. Now I'm trying to get a whole lot. 24, 365. If we not breaking the work down, you know we letting them birds fly. I go to Neiman's with a suitcase. We probably skipping the whole line. Shorty told me it's whatever. You know she about to get digged down.
Everybody gotta fall off when you bounce back, that they get right. Hustle hard like a 9 to 5. When your lights off, can't sleep right. Couple niggas wanna tag.
Play my brush. I wanna make these colors go bloop on my eyes. Ooh, bitch, moving.
It don't even really matter. We gon' make them niggas matter. Bad bitch in a Jaguar, and that ass getting fatter. It don't even really matter. It don't even really matter. We can flex in any weather.
Well, let's turn me up.
Came through drip, diamonds on my wrist, they trip on my anger. I'm busting blacks in the belly, my finger. Right through your hood, like bitch on the twin. Came through drip, came through trips.
Came through drip.
Thanks for watching, y'all. Subscribe it, send it to your friends, intro. But again, peace out.